differences, but today, I just want to tell you.
Hey, congratulations, it's a celebration. Party all day, I know you have been waiting. Congratulations, it's a celebration. I just want to tell you that I think that you
Run.
Good evening. I am Marzia, sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Open YouTube. Open YouTube. Open Google. Elon Musk according to Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Elon Reeve Musk, born June 28, 1971, is a technology entrepreneur, investor, and engineer. He holds South African, Canadian, and U.S. citizenship and is the founder, CEO, and chief engineer/designer of SpaceX, co-founder, CEO, and product architect of Tesla, Inc., co-founder of Neuralink, founder of The Boring Company, co-founder and initial CEO chairman of OpenAI, and co-founder of PayPal.
Play coding music. Who made you? Who made you?
Fazil Rabbi made me. I really grateful to you.
What's the time?
Sir, the time is 19 hours 3 minutes and 8 seconds.
Marzia, quiet. Marzia, quiet.
Quieting, sir.
Elon Musk according to Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. Searching Wikipedia.
Open VS Code. Open VS Code. Okay. Marzia, quiet. Marzia, quiet. Marzia, quiet. Marzia, quiet. Marzia, quiet. Marzia, quiet. Marzia, quiet.
What the fuck? What the fuck was that?